New product. This is a drive away kit for your awning. If you've got your awning up and you want to go grab a coffee, but you don't want to take your awning down, you're going to come back in 10 minutes, this is your puppy. Secondary use of it though, clever, it's also an awning rail adapter kit. So if you've got somebody else's awning, or if you've got a different awning rail that isn't ours, this will adapt pretty much. I'm going to put my neck out here and say any awning to any awning rail. Two things in one, awning rail adapter kit and driveway awning kit. One sexy little box. Let's see what's inside. Black recycled plastic injection figure of 8. Big long black snake. This is the bit that slides out, and it's got 3 different diametered bits of K-door. 4mm, 6mm, 8mm. Here's our van, just arrived at the campsite. Gonna put our big awning up, but we're gonna put this driveway kit in because we're gonna go get a coffee in a minute after we've set up camp. So we're gonna choose one of our 3. This one fits our Stitches and Steel multi-rail the best. Slide that sucker in. There she is. Remember these guys?
Figure of 8s.
They're going on. Do you understand what's happening here, Max?
I entirely understand what's happening here. Very clever.
So what we've done is we've moved our awning rail out to here, but then we can slide this off and your awning detaches. Does that make sense? Cool. Show you our awning. It's actually top secret. You're not supposed to see it. At the mercy of doing this, we have to use this.
Okay.
This is a secret. It's coming out next year.
Okay, let's just tease the guys.
It's a bit of a tease, but they'll be coming out soon if you like the look of what you see. This is your awning going into your driveway awning kit. Takes a bit of fiddling to get it into each section, but that's all right. We're skillful people. Okay. We'll drive away from this so you can understand how our driveway awning kit works. Pull this little bit of figure of 8. Now, we are free to drive. See ya! I'm gonna crash into the wall!